Hey traders, welcome to the pittrades.com daily report. It's Monday just after the market close. Hope everybody's day was good, especially in the markets. Couple things I want to take a look at tonight. First of all, tomorrow's news. Again, I said before, yesterday our news week is very light. Tomorrow we have one piece of news at 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I keep messing that up, so I'm going to just say everything in Central Time. We have the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index, and last time I checked, that was not a huge market mover. Of course, I could be wrong, but and that's very early. I won't be trading during that time. Nonetheless, we could see a low volume type of chop tomorrow. Unless we get some type of news out of Europe, and right now I think that's exactly what we're waiting for, is some type of news out of Europe. The markets are sort of back and forth two-way trading. However, they are starting to tip their hands a little bit, and I want to show you that. As we talked about this weekend, we had a inside day on Friday. In other words, what that means for you newbies is that you have a day that actually trades inside the range of the previous day. So we call that an inside day, and we usually look for a breakout the following day. Well, today we have what would be called a engulfing type of candle, and I would call this a bullish engulfing type of candle. I'll tell you why. Okay, first of all, we test the low down here at the 34s, and we failed to break out and to close down here, and then we rolled it back all the way up, and we test the highs of Friday, and of course we really can't break out with any type of conviction. However, we did close on the high today, and that is bullish. The other thing that is fairly bullish right now is that we have not been able to close below this, well, we could just say 1250 halves, 1250.75 now, for 3 straight days. Okay, and included in that is we have some huge wicks down, or tails, and we have 2 pretty good sized hammers. So the chances right now, depending on Globex, and of course depending on what happens in Europe, we have a really good chance, I think, of going up and testing that 72. Matter of fact, I have a target. My first target would be the 63s up above, but we're probably going to blow through that tonight in Globex. And then of course I have a target up at 75 to 78 up there. So keep those targets in mind. If we get up above the 78, 79, of course, then I have this high up here at the 1289.25. All right, so let's take a look at what happened today. We started off a little bullish in the morning, and we failed to do anything on that move to the upside, and of course we sold all the way down. I told you last night if we got below that 52, 51, we tried to break back above 54, couldn't do it. And I said if we got back below the 52, we could go down and test this this 34, this low down here. Now, if you notice, we had Globex low down at 32, so I was then looking for that. I did end up getting stopped out up in here at the pivot. Once we got below that, I pulled stops down and did end up getting stopped out. I was looking for a little lower. Then it reversed all the way back and found legs and broke back up above that 55 and held into the close, which there hence is our sort of bullish move right now. Guys, what I'm going to say is watch your Globex numbers very, very closely. Watch your highs and lows in Globex. They're going to give you a lot of clues to what's going on. This 52, 54 range is still a huge range. Now we also have this area, this 36 down to the 32 area is very key. Now we're going to have to get down there and close below that to get some selling into this market right now. I suspect Globex will probably run up and at least tag the 63s, and we may even go up into that 67 overnight. But as long as we come in tomorrow's open above this 55, I'll watch this 55 as a main level. So guys, with that, watch your levels. Trade well tomorrow, and we shall see you tomorrow night. Take care.